how to remove the Citroen DS3 instrument cluster. Starting off, underneath the steering column, pull the lever to move the steering wheel away from the cluster so you can have more space to work with, and then lock it back into position. This cover over here, surround on the cluster, can be taken out by hand or by tools. I just use my hands because it's easier. Even though the other side there was no dash trim, it does not affect the ability to remove this surround. Once this surround is off, there is 4 torque screws, one on each corner, and these are, I believe, T20. Go ahead and remove all the screws. Just for some information, this cluster was plug and play from my experience. If you have found this video helpful so far, please don't forget to subscribe. Once the screws are off, all that's left to do is pull the cluster out partially and then unplug the plug by pressing onto this part over here and then pulling the black piece upwards, which will unplug the plug like so, and then wriggle the cluster out. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.